This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up ratchet straps. Always select straps with a working load limit exceeding the weight of your cargo. Ensure your anchor points are structurally sound and free from damage, capable of handling the load. For instance, a 1-inch wide strap typically has a working load limit of 500 pounds, so choose wisely and always check the strap's label for specific ratings. Your safety depends on it, so never overlook these critical checks. Identify the fixed end, which has a hook, and the loose end of the strap. The ratchet mechanism itself consists of a handle, a release lever, and a rotating spindle. Begin by attaching the fixed end hook securely to an appropriate anchor point on your vehicle or trailer. Always ensure the strap is completely free of any twists or snags before you proceed, ensuring an unobstructed path for the webbing. This preparation prevents future complications and ensures proper tension. Take the loose end of the strap and feed it through the slot in the spindle. Push it from underneath and over the top, then pull a significant length of strap through the other side. This creates a loop, which will tighten around your cargo. Pull enough slack through so the strap is snug against your load, but not yet tight, allowing for final tensioning. Correct threading is crucial for the strap's secure operation and proper function. With the strap loosely in place, begin ratcheting the handle up and down. This action wins the excess webbing onto the spindle, steadily increasing tension. Stop when the strap is firm and the load is secure, ensuring it does not compress your cargo excessively. Aim for a tension that prevents any movement during transit, checking all points. A good general rule is 200 pounds of pressure for typical smaller loads, ensuring everything stays put.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.